Borax decahydrate, chemically known as sodium tetraborate decahydrate, is a white, crystalline compound naturally occurring from the evaporation of seasonal lakes, and also synthetically produced for industrial and commercial use. This decahydrated form of borax contains 10 molecules of water of crystallization, giving it unique physical and chemical properties that have made it indispensable across various industries. Its solubility in water and alkaline nature allow it to act as an excellent pH buffer, which is particularly useful in cleaning agents, personal care formulations, and water treatment systems. In the detergent and soap manufacturing industries, borax decahydrate enhances surfactant performance, softens water by binding calcium and magnesium ions, and improves soil removal and stain-fighting capabilities. Its antifungal and preservative qualities make it suitable for cosmetics, where it helps stabilize emulsions and extend product shelf life. It is also widely used in the preparation of fire retardants, where its ability to suppress combustion reactions provides added safety in construction materials and textiles. In the ceramic and glass industries, borax contributes to reducing melting temperatures, enhancing glaze adhesion, and improving the clarity and durability of finished products. Beyond its role in cleaning and materials manufacturing, borax decahydrate serves as an essential input in agriculture and metallurgy. In agriculture, it is applied as a micronutrient fertilizer for delivering boron, an element vital for healthy plant growth, root development, and reproductive success. Its consistent boron content allows for precise dosing in soil enrichment and foliar sprays, supporting crop yields in boron-deficient soils. In metallurgy, borax acts as a flux to clean and protect metal surfaces during welding, soldering, and brazing by dissolving metal oxides and preventing oxidation. In the mining industry, it assists in gold recovery through amalgamation processes. Its ability to control viscosity, disperse particulate matter, and stabilize chemical reactions has also led to its incorporation in polymer production, adhesives, fire-resistant insulation, and biochemistry laboratories. Environmentally, borax is considered relatively safe and biodegradable, making it a preferred alternative to more toxic chemicals in various applications. Its multifunctional character, affordability, and compatibility with both natural and industrial systems have positioned borax decahydrate as a reliable, sustainable, and widely respected compound in modern science and industry.